Welcome back to the Mike AI Lab channel. Today, I will share with you how to make many good cartoon videos with VideoGen AI. Here are 3 example videos. Let's take a look.
Welcome to our channel. Today, I will share you a good cartoon story. Once upon a time, in the sunniest corner of a cozy living room, lived a cat so lazy that even the dust bunnies sitting under the sofa seemed busier. Welcome to our channel. Today, I will share you a good video. Get ready for an epic showdown like no other. The mighty Super Dino facing off against the relentless Robo-Shark. In a world where ancient power meets futuristic technology, 2 unstoppable forces come head-to-head, battling not only for victory but for the fate of their world. Welcome to our channel. Once upon a time, in the cozy little town of Willowbrook, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was an imaginative child with a heart full of dreams and a mind always swirling with ideas. He loved to draw, filling every piece of paper he could find.
Do you find beautiful videos? Let's explore how to create these videos. First, access the link in the video comment to access VideoGen AI. Use your Google account to log in quickly. This is the VideoGen AI interface. If you want to create a video, click on Create a Video. To create an animated video, you need to upgrade your account. If you use the 1-year package, it will cost you $12 per month, and if you upgrade to the monthly package, it will cost you $24. Here, I will upgrade to the monthly package to see if VideoGen AI really creates videos quickly, easily, and beautifully. Now, I will proceed to enter my Visa card information for payment. During the payment process, they ask you to enter your phone number to send a payment confirmation code. After you have the confirmation code, enter it, and complete the payment process. Then you return to the VideoGen AI interface and proceed to create the video. To have many good titles for animated videos, I use ChatGPT to create. I will copy the first title on ChatGPT to add to the title box on VideoGen AI. Next, you choose the length of the script and click on the red arrow to start the script creation process. After the script is created, I see that there is no intro and outro for the video, so I will add these 2 parts. If you want to change the voice in the video, choose the voice you like.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to...
Next, I will add pauses in the script by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Add Pause. The default when adding a pause is 1 second. If you want to change the number of seconds of pause, type it with the keyboard. If you do not do this, your video will speak continuously, making it difficult for viewers to listen. After completing the process of adding pauses in the script sections, you will click on the Generate Video button to start the video creation process. So the video has been created.
Today, I will share you a good cartoon story. Once upon a time, in the sunniest corner of a cozy living room, lived a cat so lazy that even the dust bunnies sitting under the sofa.
If you still want to change the voice in the video, you can still change it now.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Next, if you want to change the subtitle style in the video, click on Caption and choose the subtitle style you like.
sofa seemed busier. His name was Marmalade, a fluffy orange feline who believed that every day should be spent.
If you want to change the image in the intro, drag the red ruler to that part and move the mouse pointer to the right. Click Search to find the intro you like.
Welcome to our channel. Today, I will share you a good cartoon story. Once upon a time, in the sunniest corner.
Next, you can add your channel logo by clicking on Add Logo. Or to make the video more interesting, you can add background music to the video.
Corner of a cozy living room lived a cat so lazy that even the dust bunnies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.
To complete the video, I will change the image in the outro of the video. After completing the outro, I will export this video. You can export the video with a resolution of 1080 or 4K. Here, I will export the video at 4K resolution, so that the exported video is sharp and beautiful. While waiting for the video to be exported, you can create another video or do other work, because when the video is finished exporting, you will receive a notification via email. At that time, you just need to open the email and click on the link to go to the video download page. While waiting for this video to be exported, I will create video number 2. I will return to the main interface of VideoGen AI. The process of creating video number 2 is the same as video number 1, please observe. This video number 2 has been created, and I think the image of the intro is okay.
Welcome to our channel. Today, I will share you a good video.
So I don't need to change anything. Only the outro part is not suitable, so I will change the image in this part.
Dino's muscles coiled and ready.
After completing the editing process for video number 2, I will export this video. Because I exported this video in 1080% resolution, it will be faster in 4K mode like video number 1, so I will wait for the video export process to complete downloading the video.
Welcome to our channel. Today, I will
At this point, I just need to click download to download this video number 2.
Welcome to our channel. Today, illuminating the skyline with flashes of lightning. Deep in the heart of this chaos, Super Dino emerges, his powerful tail swinging behind him, and razor.
Now, I will return to the main interface of VideoGen and find video number 1 to check if the video export process is complete. I clicked on the title of video number 1 to open the page that created this video. To see if this video has been exported, you click on Share and select Recent Exports to lead to the download link for this video. Or to make it easier, you can open the email to download this video number 1. Oh, This video number 1 has been exported.
Welcome to our channel. Purrs and purrs.
Now I just need to download this video.
Welcome to our channel. Marmalade. A fluff. There was a mystery afoot. His curiosity, just as fluffy as his tail, got the better of him when he heard a faint jingling sound and a luxurious swish of his tail batted it gently. The maze. Marmalade.
After downloading video number 1, I return to the main interface of VideoGen to create video number 3, and the implementation is the same as videos number 1 and 2. To add a pause between the fast segments, after the pause in script number 10, I will copy the pause and paste it in other segments for speed. After pressing the Export Video button in video number 3, while waiting, you can continue to create videos number 4, number 5, number 6. Do you see that VideoGen AI creates videos quickly and beautifully? Please experience it by accessing the link in the comment section of this video. And you see the 30% discount code in there. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel to receive more new videos.